Hello, this is Teacher Nay. Today we're going to read a story called School and the Rules by Teacher Nay. Let's begin. It is a lunchroom. I eat in the lunchroom. It is a whiteboard. It is a classroom. It is a desk. It is a chair. I sit on a chair at school. I don't sit on a chair. I sit on the floor. Hi, how are you? I speak English. I sit nicely at my desk. I listen to the teacher. I raise my hand. I wait to speak. I know the answer. I follow the class rules. The teacher said, "Write your name." The end. Now we're going to read the school and the rules flashcards. Let's begin. Lunchroom, lunchroom, lunchroom. Eat, eat, eat. Classroom, classroom, classroom. Sit, sit, sit. Hi, how are you? Speak, speak, speak. Listen, listen, listen. Raise my hand, raise my hand, raise my hand. I know, I know, I know. Okay, we've come to the end of our lesson. It's time to say goodbye. See you next time. Goodbye.